Oh. Come on then, mangoes. Casual walking.
Over there. Someone gets in that. Dan, go and look for that building.
Come on, Luke, let's do this.
Go, 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 go.
Where are we going?
Just to that building over there on the left.
On the left. Oh yeah. Ugh. Where's the contact? I can't see.
Go on.
Nicely done.
I hate this gun. It's too long.
Oh yeah.
Oops.
Oh, there they are. Reloading, Sim.
What?
Reloading.
Alright. Dan, push up the trees over there. Go, 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 go. I gotta distract him.
Go, lay down cover him first so I can go grab him. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, he's stuck in the tree.
Right, come in here, come in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go.
Love you.
I'm going back to the other side.
Good. I'll cover the. I'll keep this side covered.
I'm coming to get you. Come on, fella.
Coming back here.
Right, there you go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thanks.
That's how we do it.
Go.
Son of a bitch.
Somebody's at the basket. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Somebody's in here.
Down there, eh?
Ah, you got me out the back.
Tom, we got people on the road down there.
Talking to the back.
Yeah, we
I
have.
was doing here.
We have.
Yeah, but they're all, Joel is all the way down there. You see that green thing over there?
Push up to with us. Right down to the helicopter.
Hang tight!
Give me a gun. I need a gun right now.
Yeah, take the org. Take the org.
Fucking whack this.
We're pinned by you. Hang tight. Yeah, go ahead, Simba.
I dropped my cig on the way across.
Do you guys see a cig on the floor anywhere?
A water?
Yeah, yeah, I see it.
Collect it for me, or give it to Dave. I'm out. Cover that way.
Yeah, I got it in my possession, mate.
Nice one.
There we go. Right
Nice
side,
one.
right
Cheers.
side.
If you see Dad, let me know. I got no ammo. I need my AK back.
Yeah, I'm in the woods.
Down there. But I got no ammo in it, so it's like unbelievably gay.
There you are, Simba. Where are you? I'm going to run to you now with the AK and SIG.
We're still by the green box, and guys, we need you over here now. We're pinned. Yeah, I'm pinned down at the moment.
Where's he to? Where's he to?
God, I'm carrying everybody's gun. I feel like...
Depends. Might be you guys, don't know.
We're by the helicopter, just in front of it and to the right hand side.
Shit.
Yeah, that's you.
Right, push
Right,
up
I'm
then.
going.
Push up then. Go on. Fucking bollocks.
Oh shit.
So all my guns?
Yes.
Next one.
If they buy it, they're gonna be pushing up. Oh.
Yeah, we're a bit screwed.
Oh, hit!
Look, to your left, there's a guy sort of creeping up.
We're going back. Come on.
Oh, you were on the left side.
Alright, I got your hand, I got your hand. Let go of the rig.
Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're not going back down there.
Right,
Fuck that.
I'm still up.
Back in.
We're seeing,
We're in the hut below you. We're pushed pinned down both sides.
Fuck's sake.
Be a flank left.
We got players on the road. Players shoot me from my left and my right.
Right, I need to check your position.
We're in the hut with the steps.
That way.
Left! Contact left! On the road, on the road! On the road, push up! Tell the guys in the face to watch the left!
Reload it!
Cover.
Reloading.
No, I can see his fucking feet.
Shit.
You're the boss.
Oh, God.